Okay, it's pretty late at night, so I don't want to wake anybody up, so I'm going to just show you. This is my rosemary dough for my rosemary bread loaf that I'm about to make. This is after more than 24 hours of rising. Really, this is like 28, 29 hours of rising. And just to show you, it's very cold in our house, but this is still just fine. So when they tell you 8 to 24 hours, you can go over that. So I'm about to degas and make a fold it a little bit, and then I'm going to put it into this bread pan over here that's been oiled with a very good Tuscan spice olive oil. This has got some garlic in it and stuff. It's really great stuff. So let me do it. Okay, here we go. You can see it doesn't stick to the bowl very well, which is great. I'm going to flour it just so it doesn't stick. You do want to flour your hands too. You don't really need to touch this with your hands, but you can. Okay. And we're going to let this rise for another, I guess about an hour and a half. You just get it into all sides. Alright. Just wanted to even it in the pan a little bit. And I'm going to do this, I know this is hard to see, but I'm going to shape the top, or actually, I don't know what to call it. I do this to every loaf, which makes it crumbly on the top. And I'll do this several times. Scoring the top, I guess you'd call it. It really does make a difference. I'm trying to find a way to hold the phone. Okay, so yep, back to you in an hour and a half. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to cover it with a cloth for an hour and a half. All right, again, see you in an hour. We're ready to go for. It's about 28 minutes. We're going to cook this for. I'm going to rough up the top just a little bit more. I already put the olive oil on it, and then we're going to put it into a 425. Sorry about the pans. I have no place to put them. Okay, here's after 1 hour. And we're going to let it go for another half hour. In the meantime, we're letting the oven preheat to 425 for 1/2 hour. It has about 7 minutes to go. But maybe 7, 8, or 9 minutes. But I'm going to take it out and put some olive oil on the top. Okay, we've got a full 3 minutes to crust the top, and I'm going to pull it out right now. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, hang in there. Oh yeah. Ooh, baby. Put my mittens away, shouldn't I? Okay, ready? I don't know what to do. That's a good looking loaf, babe. Okay, let me turn the camera off and we'll get better pictures. Look at that. Whew. That's a good looking loaf. So far, all of these have come out absolutely wonderful. These no-knead Rosemary breads that I've made. This one's the prettiest of the bunch so far. Oh, it's hot, very hot. We'll cut a slice in about 5 minutes. God, that olive oil does such a great job. I think I'm gonna douse the top with some more. Just a little remnant shine here. Boy, that's beautiful. You should smell this. Holy mackerel. Instructions. Okay. All right, I'll cut it open in just a minute. So, okay, we're gonna cut open my 8th loaf of bread here. That's from, primarily it's a recipe I've modified from Artisan Bread with Steve on YouTube. Anyway, all right, let's do the cut. Boy, that's hot. Oh, that's fabulous. God. Oh, that's good. Wonderful. Aromatic. Oh my God. Very good. Well, that is a loaf. You could bring that as a gift somewhere. You can even sell it. It's a good loaf. Boy. I don't know why more people don't make their own bread. It's so easy to do. And it's so rewarding. Magnificent. All right, well, thank you for watching. I wish you could be here to try this bread. It's great. All right, thanks again. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom.